Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at a site that I just learned about today. Thank you to my friend Chris Case. His wife showed him this. It's Edtomorrow and the First Five. So if you've never seen this before, once you sign up every morning around 7 a.m., you'll receive this information. So what's included in the information? You can just scroll through. So it looks like this. You get a meme, some questions to ask, as well as at the door greetings. A quick connect, but super simple one to put in something like Google Classroom for your students to write about. Like, how great's that? A check-in from 1 to 8 of the Rock. I think I'm going to choose number 2 right there. That's pretty awesome. Some mindfulness, positivity with a download, character quote. It's a great one. A person who never made a mistake, never tried anything new. And then this video. Nice blueprint by Martin Luther King. Really great, powerful video. It's about a little over 2 minutes long, and it's from Goalcast. So definitely worth checking into. It's really really pretty powerful. So in order to do so, you can scan it here or click to subscribe. When you do so, you just need to fill out this information in here. If for some reason, when you do click sign up, I'll include this in my blog post, it may come up with a little, where it doesn't go through. If that is the case, I'd recommend just go ahead and on your phone and sign up that way. So if you ever do have that come up, just know that it happened to me and happened to my friend Chris. We work in the same district. So just sign up with your phone and then you'll get it sent to your work email or to your personal email. But definitely a site to check out. And it's delivered to you for free. So there you go. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.